Hello everyone, welcome to our latest video. Today, I will bring you our latest product, Caterpillar 3512 engine components, including pistons, cylinder liners, etc. This is the cylinder liner, made of high-quality materials and with wear-resistant coating technology, which can effectively seal the combustion chamber, prevent gas leakage, and reduce friction and wear. Okay, now that we have shown the cylinder liner details, let's look at the piston details. This is the piston, which is made of high-temperature resistant material and can withstand high temperature and high pressure to ensure the sealing of the combustion chamber. It also cooperates with the cylinder liner to dissipate heat efficiently. In addition to these two components, we also provide more parts for 3512 engines. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us. Well, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.